Welcome, an initiative by Kikewa College of Horticulture, Nasik, giving an online audio-visual learning from Department of Soil Science. I, the Professor N.S. Gogre, going to deliver a lecture on a topic. Then, for this, we have to study what are the proper reclimating measures to use this problematic soil under cultivation. So this is known as a reclamation, that is equal to amelioration, that is equal to chemical methods for managing problematic soil. In this, we include mechanical method, chemical method, and biological method. The mechanical method is allowed for only saline soil, and rest are used for sodic and sodic or alkali soil. Okay, reclamation management for saline soil. Certain mechanical methods are followed for reclamation. What are they? We want to just know. Okay. The first point under mechanical method, which is flooding and leaching down of soluble salts. What do you mean by leaching? Leaching is equal to ponding of water on the surface of soil. Ponding means we have to give the pond-like appearance. Pond-like appearance to leach down certain salts below root zone to control soil salinity. Is called as leaching, or it is also called as a flooding and achieved by draining. Okay. Then what are leaching requirement? Leaching requirement is equal to EC of applied water divided by EC of draining water. EC of applied water divided by EC of drainage water. Then second mechanical method we followed for management of soil, saline soil, is scraping of surface soil. Scraping of surface soil with the help of spade, kurpi, just to remove surface soil which is white in color. In case of saline soil, we have temporary cure and salinity develops again and again. This is the second method for management of saline soil. Then what are the different cultural methods used for management of saline soil? In this, we include providing proper drainage. We have to open drainage channel at certain interval to lead down certain soluble salts below the root zone. Use of salt-free irrigation water. Salt-free, good quality water should be used for irrigating crops. We should not recommend use of canal irrigation because canal irrigation contains salts which are dissolved around the seepage areas. So it is a very salty water. Proper use of irrigation water. Decrease in amount of water intake the soil, increase the concentration of soluble salts. Soil moisture should be therefore be kept at optimum level or filled capacity, beyond which it contributes to development of salinity. Next method, planting or sowing of seeds in furrow. That it should be come in minimum contact with zone of salt concentration and which do not affect germination. Then use of acidic fertilizer. Fertilizers of acidic nature, ammonium sulfate should be used in silencer. Then use of organic manures. The organic manure which contributes to high water holding capacity. When sufficient amounts of these manures are added, water holding capacity can be increased. Soil solution decreases and percolation rate increases, which helps to minimize these salts from keeping away with these salts from root zone. Then cultural method is plowing and leveling of land. Then retardation of water evaporation from surface and certain growing of salt tolerant crops, which includes high salt tolerant crops, that is barley, sugar beet, cotton, etc. etc. Moderately salt tolerant crops, that is wheat, rice, sorghum, maize. And low salt tolerant crops are beans, radish, and white clover. Then next method for reclamation and management of alkali soil. Management of alkali soil, or that is sodic soil. Alkali soil cannot be uh, alkali soil cannot be managed by simply mechanical methods or cultural methods. Some cultural methods are followed, but no mechanical method is used for reclamation or management of alkali soil. In this, we use generally chemical methods. In this application of gypsum using iron pyrite, sulfur, dolomite, phosphogypsum, certain chemicals are used to reclaim or manage sodic soil.